Welcome everyone. Good morning, good day, good evening, good afternoon. Great to see you. Great to see you. On a happy Thursday times with huge numbers, with huge details. Welcome guys. Reading through the chat. Great to see you, community. Hope you're having a lovely time. Minimum 180 likes to do the giveaways today. Keep that in mind. Thank you, by the way. Thank you. Let's just find it out. How are we sitting at? And what's happening? Let's just find it out. I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna show you today what's happening about it. Good evening out there. I'm gonna show you the account and you're gonna see the balance. Brutal yesterday. Certainly brutal. Yet, from what it looks like, on the hourly, we're still sitting above 25,000, guys. So before we get started, make sure to invite people. Come on, let's do 1 minute of collective work. Invite people from trading groups. Take the link of this YouTube live stream and then share it with your community members in all the trading groups that you are. In your family groups, neighbors, whatever you guys are involved in, any social media stuff, we're live. Feel free to invite people, especially the traders. Thank you so much, guys. Formula should be working fine. There is something on your side. It's weird. You're the only one suffering those problems, and it's kind of weird. I don't know what's the cause. We're gonna cook today a lot. Thank you, guys. Great to see you. Well, this is where Nasdaq is positioned. I mean, it's not looking dramatic at all, guys. Look at that. Why are we saying this is about to die? I mean, you know, we have important data. We have the PCE price index today coming out in 3. Yeah, it comes out in a few minutes, right? Yeah. Be careful, guys. If you're trading tap on futures, you should exit your trades right now. The next 4 minutes, you should not trade on tap on futures. Elite daily accounts. Exit your trades right now. Tap on futures, elite daily accounts should not be traded. 4 minutes during the red folder news. Good evening, good morning, good day, everyone. Careful, guys. We're going to have some nice volatility that we could actually monetize. So, yeah. Here's our dashboard area for the YRM. Remember, YRM is running their last moment promotion expires in 15 hours. So YRM promotions expiring in 15 hours and 30 minutes. Keep that in mind, fellas. Right? You have the ability to stack up, load up your accounts. Yeah, it's good. We're not trading micro futures, but I think it's good. Let me drop you the links. No restrictions for Lucid. No restrictions. We have a minute to go for the news. I'm about to pull up Quantower because everyone wants to see Quantower with my Lucid flexes. Let me fix that for you. Let me fix that for you guys. Couple of seconds for final GDP and PCE price index. And then tomorrow we have CPI. So Thursday and Friday, quite heavy. Ho ho! Look at that. Look at that. You will receive your reward if you stop spamming with 200 messages. And when I get back to you, you're going to receive your reward at the right time, at the right moment. You only have to wait. You don't have to write me every single 30 minutes. Right, so I got 200 messages from you. Tagging me everywhere is not going to bring you anything other than some discipline measures that I am going to apply in our community, making sure we have the right environment of performing. Testing out a short. Oh, I'm out. We made 221 bucks. We can trade on YRM without any problems towards the news. Thank you. So look at the numbers we have. PCE comes out as expected, but then the final GDP is lower than the expected side. The forecast was on 0.7%, and then we have it on 0.5%. So certainly the markets are not enjoying that. Not enjoying that at all. From what it looks like. Wondering about tomorrow, guys. It's going to be quite heavy. Tomorrow we have news around the inflation, change in the price of goods and services purchased by consumers, excluding food and energy. If that comes out bad, this is going to get way below 25,000. Thank you so much, guys. So I'm dropping you the links. We're going to trade our YRM. We're going to trade our Lucid. You know, Lucid flexes. Still maximum discount there. 40% off. Scramble coupon code pretty much everywhere. Yeah, you guys want to see my... So look at the balance, guys, for the Lucid Flex. The balance is there. It's back to $234,000. That's good, right? It's 84 grand profit. You know, we lost something, and you're going to see today I'm going to have a video. I'm going to have a different video posted on my channel, guys, today. All of you will have to watch that. It's going to be posted in 3 to 4 hours from now. Right, so... in 3 to 4 hours from now, it's going to be fully explained. A different model, a different type of video. We're going to talk about things we don't usually talk. We're going to have a different way of speaking about trading than the technical side or the side of the numbers. You guys will have a great time. It is 26 minutes long, and I certainly suggest you to watch that at least twice. It will be very useful, guys, and it will certainly improve your trading performance and experience. I'll make you guys think about things, right? Because when you watch material, it can have different purposes. It can inform you about things that are simply informational, or it can certainly make you think about certain things that are important, which then will result in a much better performance. So I want to make sure with the upcoming material I'm going to post today, I will raise some questions that will make you think. Will be posted on YouTube, will be posted everywhere. That's why you have to be subscribed, and you want to click that little bell, the notification bell, to be fully informed about. You certainly don't want to miss out on our Discord. Right, so we have people winning the giveaways, and in 2 hours I have 6 different messages from them, plus I get tagged everywhere. Unbelievable, guys. Unbelievable. Thank you so much. Minimum 180 likes, so you gotta like the video in order to do the giveaways today. We're gonna trade some trade evade. No idea what to do here. No idea what to trade here. That's why I'm kind of waiting. Ooh, look at that move. Yesterday's trade, well, we have 234 in the balance. Not bad. Without trading today at all, look at that. You guys will see. It was a roller coaster yesterday. A roller coaster. You guys will see what happened in detail because I'm posting today a video. And I wanted to share more on that in the video. Such as you will see the dashboard. I can show you the dashboard right now. The account is here. The thing is, then you're not going to watch the video. Even though the video is about different things and a different trading and life lessons that I think are very important. So you certainly have to watch that video. Will be posted in about 3 to 4 hours on my channel. Thank you guys. I'm going to tell you, we were down $58,000 in one account, $58,000 in the other account. I'll tell you that. Right, so we were having 2 accounts still open. None of the accounts were lost, and they're not lost. We were having 3 trades on minus. One of the trades hit the daily loss limit because one of the accounts we're trading is Lucid Pro. Lucid Pro is having a daily loss limit. Your daily loss limit is calculated based on, look at that guys, based on Lucid scale, 60% of the peak of your balance. Right, so we were having a huge daily loss limit. And we've hit that daily loss limit. It's a soft breach. The account is still here. And the other 2 accounts that were active, we had a lower coster. We were 58 grand down on each. And we recovered from that in a very interesting way, I would say. However, today I'm going to trade some, trying to pass Thursday and Fridays, trying to pass some Lucid Flexes. I need to pass some Lucid Flexes, guys, so I got myself some Lucid Flexes of 150,000. They got no consistency in target on the funded stage. Testing out a short of 10 minutes here. Let's see. Hello, good morning, good evening, guys. Thank you so much. I think a little less than that. A little less than that. You guys will see the numbers. Yeah, huge buffer saves you, so it's definitely worth it for me to have that buffer. And of course, without that buffer, I would not have the ability to have the mobility. If you don't have the mobility, you can't lose that much. I mean, it sounds like if you don't have the money, you can't lose the money. So why would you have the money? Makes no sense having anything, right? Why would you have money when you would lose it? No, buffer made a difference. Buffer made a difference. And obviously, I would have not done the same thing without the buffer. So applying yesterday's trades to a different size account is wrong. Yeah. What do you guys think about? We get a W here? Let me know if we get a W here. Oh! What are you doing? I'm still watching. What happened, guys? Can you tell me? What happened? Was it just a liquidity spike? Peace talks. Okay. Okay. If that's the subject, I'm out here. I'll set my stop loss. Oh my gosh. Yeah. This is what happens in today's market, guys. One sentence, one little tweet, whatever word is just doing 100 points. But you see this movement downwards, the market is not really enjoying that. And it's not delivering probably on the expectations. All this peace talks, statements might only be sand in the eyes. I'm decreasing my stop loss from there. I'm gonna put it here. might only be sending DIs. I don't know how feasible is the outcome, right? So if we have peace talks, it doesn't mean we have a positive outcome of the peace talks. The market knows that. We can't correlate the existence of peace talks with a necessary and determined, in a determinism way, a positive outcome. And when it comes down to peace talks, I think we need many, many months to reach a decent deal in any situation, in any conflict in the world. Right? So, and think about how many new things and new inputs will happen during the months which will be needed to be added towards the peace talks. 3,600 down. We have minimized this loss by controlling as much as possible, but this is the nature of the markets here. Look at that. Ha ha ha. Oh my gosh, look at that. That's impressive. Join our Discord community, guys, and have fun. And besides that, you can contribute. Well, look at that. We're dumping. How crazy is that? And I was having a short, guys. So I was having a short. I'm supposed to make money. $20 minis on both accounts. 20 minis totally we're short. We're not playing games. Are we? I think we should at least go back to 25,000. You can withdraw 5 accounts times 6. So 15k times 6. That's the most. Look at that. They're bringing back up right now. So we're not taking liquidity. And we have a ton. We have a ton of liquidity from lower levels. You see that wick around 25.015? We have to go below that. Just like we were going above, taking the liquidity. This is so bad. So bad, price action. Haven't seen their new clean one-step accounts. Have not seen it. Yeah, there is a max loss limit. It is 80 grand away. Look at that. Unbelievable price action. Unbelievable. Zero momentum. This is the way it looks like on the price action side, so it's a total mess. Tenacity. Yeah. Gotta be red. Ha ha ha. Gotta show people the reality of trading. They're manipulating me successfully. Yeah. The flow is not going to go away with this performance of trading. Flow is not going to go away. Unbelievable. Well, look at that. Jake is having a morning green tea. So we have inspired people here to drive through the green tea. Time to make some money, guys. Got in a short for YRM too. Got in a short here a little late. But I believe this is going to go below the 15. Impressive. Badger is counting dollars, with Nasdaq being above 25,000. You can trade as a private individual. Yes. You pay personal income tax. Correct. Ha ha ha. On the way. We're on the way for that. Ha ha. Sometimes dreams becomes reality. The only thing is we don't know which one of the dreams. You want to see what are going to dream today, tonight. Maybe are dreaming the other side of the version. We're joking. When do I get that big payout from Lucid? As soon as I request it, in about a few minutes, Lucid is paying. But it's not big, it's 3,000 per account. This is looking so bad here. I'm out of the YRM trade, accepted a 114 bucks loss. Right. And I'm still sitting in 10 minis on each account here. I'm not from UK, but I live there. Don't you tell me here, by the way this whole picture looks, we're not going back to touch that daily VWAP. That would be lovely. We're undercutting below the wick and touching the daily VWAP so then we can bounce. I'm reshorting this. I like this 5-minute situation too much. Let's make some money. Exit is gonna be for me around the 15. Lovely. We're making money as we speak. Let's put our take profit here as well. I'm right now based in Hungary, in the capital city. But I lived in many places. Maximum 3,000 per account on the Lucid Flex 150,000. Each cycle 3,000, you can go multiple cycles. I got stop loss break even on my YRM. I don't want to see a bouncing here. I'm fully out of both. Look at that. Look at this price action, how it's holding around that level. Nah. So bad. I'm not live. No, no. I don't even want to be live. Let me make way more money on the sim environment. Let me make a lot more in the sim environment than the live situation. Ha 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 ha. Remember guys, for the YRM, promotion expires in 15 hours. With my code, it's even bigger than discounted when it's listed here. 49 bucks for the 50k. No activation fee, this is insane. It's like $46 with my code. And even the other models. I'm trading 3 instant funded. They're the best from my standpoint. Of course, challenges are also... Look at that. Reshorting this. And obviously I'm doing the same thing for my Lucid. Reshorting this big boy. 10 minis. There's a lot of the differences in the live and the sim environment. Capital. I think it's a big difference. And the way the whole process works. I don't have a daily loss limit here. Like, I need that. You know my style. I need that. We're not falling, guys. We're not falling. It's surviving. It's surviving and then it's pumping. Look at that. I'm out. I'm out from my... It's just nuts. Like this is... What trading is this, guys? Look at that. What trading is this? Can you tell me what trading is this, guys? Hormuz open, Hormuz closed right here. Look at that. Now go dump it. Go dump it and take my money. Yeah. Nothing works of the way I'm trading, guys. Nothing. Nothing works of the way we're trading here. Unbelievable. You can have unlimited evaluations for YRM and maximum 3 funded. If you have more than 3 funded, you keep them on pause without any problems. Yeah, this is a Hormuz session. Open, close, long shorts, pump and dump. Ha ha ha. I'll be doing dice trading. Roll the dice. Can we get something here? This is unbelievable, guys. Best emotional management is to have no emotions and sufficient money to trigger that. I'm so out of this. You want me to short it here and see how it pumps? If I short it here, this is gonna rip 50 points. You can check it out. You can take out 3,000 bucks for 150,000 YRM when you hit a target of 6,000 if you are coming from a challenge to a funded. I had Arrabbiata yesterday. That's why I'm nervous today. Why do you think I lost yesterday? This is why I lost yesterday, because I had a nervous pasta. I was cutting the chili personally. I was cutting it. And then I almost put my hands in the eyes. Almost. I almost put my finger after cutting the chili for Arrabbiata in the eyes. Nervous. You see, if I would have shorted there, I told you earlier, this thing rips. So, I am wondering about. You can pause, yes, you can pause 5, 10, 15, 20 evils. You can take advantage of the promotion by loading up, pass your evaluations, as many you want, and just pause them without monthly cost, without restrictions. And you just activate them whenever you have space. Look at that. How do we trade this? Don't you dare telling me you have no solution, because I'll get really angry. I don't want to see today a red P&L. I need a strategy recovering 11,000. Do the math with 10 minis, how many points we need. Monthly costs for Lucid, 0. Thank you. Appreciate it, buddy. Thank you. So think about 11 grand. Let's put it 12 grand with the commissions on 10 minis. How many points do I need today to break even? We are having $200 a point. Divide 12 grand by 200 bucks. 70 points. 60 points. So we're down 60 points. That's it, 60 points. We're down 60 points. So much trash in the price section. So much trash. Can we get something here? I'm back in my long. And I'm wondering. No. You want to see the candlesticks here. The daily opening is there. Thank you, by the way, for watching. Make sure to like the video. Be subscribed to the channel and join our Discord for heavy bonuses and all that. Oh, 60 points were down. I want to see a 300 points pump. We got statements. The thing is, we have reached a point no one cares about statements anymore. Yeah. I'm certainly not synchronized with the markets. Certainly right now, I'm totally off. Gotta do some massage to have realign the whole process. Gotta drink something special. Unbelievable price action. Unbelievable. Fake and dirty. This is the other account. I am 90% of my trades are executed on the London session, pre-New York. But today has been terrible. Disgusting. So it's time for you to see the numbers that I had yesterday. Ha 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 ha. April. This is the April. Roll the dice. Blindly gambling. As per some opinions, happy the reality is different. And then April. Here you go, 8th of April. Thank you for delivering that. You know that came from a statement. Are you guys aware this loss came from a statement? I mean, do the math for April. We lost 57. And we made 39. Let's say 40. 17 grand we're down. Minus 17 grand this month. 17 grand is very near to what we made on Tuesday. 14. Or 1st of April, 20 grand. Right, so it's not much. 17 grand being down this month. Think about it. Yesterday, on this account you're watching, this is what I had. Maddie, let me show you something. Let me show you. That's what we had yesterday at some point. Let me zoom in. Net P&L 1,970 at some point. On this account. I can take a payout from this account at any point. We got our longs opened. We're making some money. But I'd like to do more than this. I'm closing out on my longs on my YRM. We made 1,000 here. Time to celebrate, guys. Time to have the first round of fireworks. First round of fireworks. That's why you have to watch the video that I'm about to post today. And distribute it with everyone. Cheers, guys. Make sure to like the video. We need a minimum 180 likes to do the giveaways. 200 people watching. We're having 107 likes. Minimum 180 likes. Yeah. I'm starting to align with the price action. Come on, guys. Can we do something here? Some, you know, 100 points. I mean, I recommend Volumetrica, web-based, the one I'm trading. And then secondary option is Quantower. $100 points to the upside. It's like 200, it's 20 grand, right? It's 20 grand. Look at this price action here. Ha ha ha. Unbelievable. We're expecting basically some reactions from this daily opening, and we're having something, right? We're seeing something. Look at that. Market opens in 13 minutes. Yes, Volumetrica with deep charts. In about 4 hours, I'm going to post a video on my channel. A very important one. We have re-longed it on YRM. Stop loss break even, guys. I'm moving my stop loss right below the wick. It is not looking that bad, don't you? It is not looking that bad. But it could only be a trap. Could only be a trap. Stop loss break even. For my Lucid as well. Gotta do the same thing here. Stop loss break even. I'm out of this, guys. We made some money. And we touched a break even here. Nah. It is missing the momentum I need. So I can't deal with that. At least we have secured some money. I can't put on songs. We don't have licenses for songs. You can't do that on live stream with any song. You have to buy commercial rights. And Bitcoin is down right now. We can't buy commercial rights for anything. I will be singing when I see... Alright, so my target here, fellas. I want to see this balance starting with a number 3 by the end of April, if you don't mind me telling you. I haven't sold that. It's still there. And it used to be a lot more when we were trading at 120 grand. It used to be a lot more. But I am basically coming after significant retracements and decreases. Gotta do a song with Scramble and Fire and have it starting as soon as the live stream starts. Gotta do that, guys. You gave me a good idea. I think I'm gonna make go in a studio, in a recording studio, like music recording studio, and record a song with Scrambles and Fire to have it at the beginning of the live stream. Someone is calling me. Just bear with me a moment, fellas. One moment and I'm back. How market makers were calling me, guys. Balance is going to be fixed from the back end. Don't have to worry about. That's what I've been told from the market makers. They're gonna fix by the end of the stream. The balance is gonna start with a number 3. I just received the roadmap of what's gonna happen in the price section. Every single candle by the minute. If you behave, I can expose that to you guys. It's written here on the paper. You're not joking. What's happening on BTC and Ethereum? Oh, 1 year celebration time. Thank you. That's a massive loyalty. We have people here. We have people here that are with us for a very long period of time. And there you go, for my deepest appreciation towards that. You gotta celebrate that. You gotta celebrate. I'll have a drink. I'll have a drink on the 15th. I'll make no excuse. I'll have a drink. I don't usually make excuses for such purposes and reasons and activities. But look at that, a 5-minute algo. Do you want me to short this, guys? Ha ha ha. Look at that. We have the song. The song is here, guys. Ha ha ha. Look at that. You want to read that, guys? We're riding without me having an open trade. Yesterday I lost like 24 or something. 20, like 24, 25 in an account. Quick question, dumping or pumping for the opening? I'm gonna start a pool. I got a pool ready for you guys. Let me know quickly, so I know I trade the opposite. Opening, tell me. Nasdaq opening. Yeah. This is a way of researching for me. This is my way of researching. Oh! This is running. Why is it running right now before the opening? Will it dump? Why is it running right now, guys? Will it dump? Why are they doing this right now before the opening on purpose? Think about it just. Do we have to run a conspiracy position here? What's their purpose? To move the price before the opening like this. And what was their purpose before this move to chop like that? Not an issue destiny, that's still good. We're having today's high. Based on the price action we had in the last few hours, maybe not a few hours, just about 2 hours, all that choppiness, there's not going to be many people longing it. If this flies, we're going to be in trouble. We're going to be in trouble. People expect this to reverse. Have no idea. 10 seconds to go, guys. No idea what's happening. They might be acting dirty. Couple of seconds. We're doing new highs. Best of luck, guys. Best of luck, everyone. Ha ha ha. We got in a lovely short for my YRM. I'm out of this. We made 400 bucks. We're on 1,500. We made some money on the opening for YRM. So they brought the price section up just to short it. I mean, that's no surprise. I think that's fair. Fair enough. Fair enough. Fair enough. You guys missed a short here. However, it's not really an easy moment of trading unless you really want to get exposed. We got in a quick short, guys. Ha ha ha. We got in a quick short, stop loss break even. On both accounts, stop loss break even. Come on, guys, let's make some money. This short is gonna pay off. All the back trading of the London session. Watch this one dumping. Scrambles and fire again. We are having $6,000 profit. $7,000 profit. $8,000 profit. Ha ha ha. Come on, guys. Do something. It has to go back to 25,000. It has to go back to 25,000. Haha. 10,000 profit there. Haha. I don't like this candle here. Yeah, I'm out. I'm fully out, guys. Celebration time. Scrambles and fire. Look at that one. Lovely profits. Lovely profits, guys. That's absolutely lovely. So we made 5,335 here, and on the other account, we were down a lot today. We're still having 3,400, but we were like what? We might get a free fall. I'm out. I've been murdered today by the price action. I have been murdered. Look at that. On 10 minutes, this should have been 20 grand, but I have been murdered on the London session. I didn't have the confidence in holding right now. I'm telling you honestly. I was not confident in holding. We're touching the VWAP here. And we might be ripping. Huh. I think it would be nice to go lower. What do you guys think about? I've shorted here on YRM. We made 3,400 profit. Yeah. We've been break even on that. Haha. Exactly. As I said, I'm raising a pool and I'll trade the opposite. If proffers make money, my theory should be valid. Tell me, is that right or no? Trade of 8 is always stuck. Look at this price section. How are we supposed to trade this dirty? How are we supposed to trade this dirty candle? You guys familiar with any mechanism? I am testing out along here, even though it's not that simple. It's not that simple. Which is why I'm testing it. We have pulled out from YRM quite a good chunk amount of money. More than 20 grand. More than 20 grand. Come on, guys, let's make some money here. Let's just break above 100 and rip it back to 399 all-time high. Look at that. I'm gonna sit on stop loss break even, and I'm gonna let this trade open till 3-4 p.m. EST time. A Lucid Flex 150,000 Valorant. Lucid Flex 150 grand. It's 230 inside the account because it's a typo. Quantower is having typos today. Rip it, guys, rip it. Oh my gosh. We only get wicks, I'm telling you, we reverse back to break even. I'm so sure about that. I'm so angry that we're not going to be a good, juicy winner here. Hola, amigos. I told you. Tell me the color of the next candle. Could be red. Next candle. Could be red. The 1 minute. The next 1 minute. Could be red. And it's opening in a few seconds. Could be red. So I'm opening at the beginning of it right now. Here we are. Tell me. Could be red. Could be red. Oh, look at that silly buying back pressure. Lucid Flex, guys. No consistency. No consistency. And no target on the funded stage. 40% off. Grab your accounts. Maximum 5 users on 40%, and then you get 30% till you have more. I'm gonna hold this one. Run. Run. Come on, guys. 10 contracts. 10 minis. I want to see this all the way back to 25k. I have a short on YRM too. We touched the break even on YRM. Unbelievable. Unbelievable opportunity. Ten little monkeys jumping on the bed. How is that song? Ten little monkeys jumping on the bed. Ha ha ha. Ha ha. Discord link says it's been expired. Why do they say so? You want to search for our community. Scrambo's prop firm community, close to 2,000 people or around like that. You guys think I should be shorting this? Yeah. One fell off, two fell off. That's the way I DCA out. One contract, two contracts. Like the little monkeys. Should I be testing out a short here, guys? The market is becoming angry. I'll pull the trigger. Yes, you have to wait a little more, Chris. You certainly have to wait more. We don't get to see the price around the 20,000, 25. Stop loss break even for this one. Let's make some money in this trade. So bad here, so bad. So freaking bad price action, I'm telling you. Back in my short. Ha 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 ha. Ha ha ha. No. Ha 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 ha. Ha 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 ha. Let's go back to 25. Ha ha. Unbelievable, guys. Unbelievable price action here. I skipped the break even by 3 points. And if we make 20 grand in this trade, you gotta know that. You have to slowly increase your sizing over a long period of time until your psychology is going to digest that normally, right? So you need more time to deal with these numbers till you have the ability to obviously produce profits. Lovely, guys. We're making money here. We're 10,000 profit on this account. But hopefully we get back to 25,000 and we do not just do all this nonsense wick price action. I'm going to leave this open for 25,000. And that would be 100 points short. We just overcut above the previous wick, right? Overcut. Went there twice, and I am reshorting on 10 minis. Yeah, you were removed. You were having tons of accounts for the giveaway, buddy. Best of luck next time. We're not stopping this trade unless we're touching 25,000 for Nasdaq. Watch that, guys. Almost 10 grand profit here. Run it, Scramble, run it. Ha 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 ha. Oh my gosh. I want to see 25,000. I'm not getting out of this. Just like I haven't sold yesterday by being down on 58,000. Haven't sold it. I don't want to see the price going back right now. That would be the silliest thing existing. Watch this candlesticks here. Right, so the next 15 to 20 minutes, 30 minutes might be needed. For the price action to get back to 25,000, something around 25,000. Come on, do something. Something legit. $50 points right now. Nosedive. I'm waiting for you. I'm gonna soon trail here above the candle. I'm trailing for both accounts. I'll take like 6 grand profit if the trail is gonna get hit. Right, that's an important level of trailing. If we reverse once again here, guys, remember, I'm teaching right now. If we reverse here in this candle, I got a trail because that's a very, very important signal that we could get back to my entry. So this is a critical point. That's why we're trailing here at this moment. Right, in trading, it's important where you set your trailings and stop losses and when. Where and when. Ha 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 ha. 13 grand profit, guys. We're almost having $20,000 profit here. Scramble is riding the shorts. Bring it down, boys. This is a level with the VWAP. This is a level with the VWAP. I think I'm gonna do 5 contracts out here, 5 contracts out there. Same thing from the other account too. 5 contracts out there, which means in the next candle. Oh, I don't want to see the bulls buying. I don't want to see the bulls buying here. I'm out here. This one is still open, so one of the accounts is still open. I'm putting my stop loss here, guys, at the top of that wick. It's gonna be about 12 grand. I'm putting my stop loss at the top of the wick. I need a continuous selling pressure. Yeah, that's why it's VWAP there. That's why I'm selling. I'm gonna put my take profit lower. Around 25,000 first take profit. And second take profit is going to be slightly below 25,000. You guys want to see that? Here we are. Almost 20 grand profit, guys. Almost 20 grand profit here. Run it back. 10 minis, 70 points, 80 points profit here. Ha 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 ha. I'm selling 5 contracts right now. Trust me, I'm doing it. I did it. I sold 5 contracts. We only have 5 remaining. Ha 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 ha. I'm fully out here. 21,740. 21,740 back to 245. There you go. Thank you, guys. Thank you. You see how we started the London session and how we traded this? Thank you, guys. How we shorted the very top there? Unbelievable. Thank you so much, guys. Make sure to like the video, guys. Be subscribed, join our Discord, and get your numbers rolling. So we brought this 21,740, and the other account that was down a lot is 5,260. This was down 13, 14 grand. This one. It was down 13, 14 grand. And it's back in profits. And then we have this one with 21,740. You see, this is the advantage of not doing copy trading. Oh, I forgot about this. I totally forgot about this, guys. I totally forgot about this. Look at that. 8,000. I'm out of this thing. I'm out of this YRM here. I'm putting my trailing at this point. I totally forgot about this one. I totally forgot about this. I just switched the screens right now. Lovely. 11,161. Oh my gosh. Trading the VWAP here. We have some imbalanced candlesticks sitting around 25,000. This one. Yeah. What do you guys think about the next candle? Will it be green? The next 1 minute. I'm testing out a long. Here for this account, which is having a ton. Ha ha ha. I also got in a longs here. Ha ha ha. Let's go, guys. We're having a lot. We're having a lot, and we're getting back to 250. We are printing, guys. Come on. Ha ha. Oh. Maximum 3,000 per cycle. I can have 6 cycles of 3,000 each. But I can do 5 accounts cash out of 3,000, so 15k times 6. Exactly. You said it, 250. You said it, 250. In YRM, I trade a volumetric platform. Let's make some money all the ways. Let's make it back right now all the way to... Can we get something around the 80s? Like 60 points from my entry? What do you guys think about? Something around the 80s. Grinding back slowly. Thank you so much. Make sure to like the video, be subscribed. YRM is ending their promotions tonight. With Scramble Code, you have even bigger discounts than you desire. So I wanted to look at something. I totally forgot about it. Totally forgot on what I wanted to look at. Exactly. Correct. That's right, Fred. Thank you. What do you guys think about this trade? I'm speaking about 80s. If we can get to 80s, I'm going to be fully satisfied. Payouts are a little slow right now. It's not really delayed. That's the way they're scheduled. We must hit... Alright guys, so we're changing. We gotta hit 190 likes quickly. 190 likes. Which means we still have to collect 35 likes. And we have 15 minutes to do that. 35 likes in 15 minutes. That's the timeline. If we don't touch that, we will not organize the giveaways. It's simple. Right, so in order to do the giveaways, we must hit minimum 190 likes in the next 15 minutes. We might just go for 200 likes. We'll see. I don't like this, the previous 1 minute candle we had. I don't like that. But I'm still holding here because we have some nice budget. And we might just undercut and then run. Right? We'll see, of course, we'll see. We might just wick slightly below the previous and then run. That's why I'm not selling anything. Look at that, guys. We have a confluence here. Ha ha ha. That's why we're down. Might just go down to 240s. Please don't say 240s, please. Because then that's where we're gonna go. I need the yellow box probably. I don't have the yellow box, that's why we're not making money in this trade. You guys want me to put a yellow box? Haha. Here we are. It's over. I don't need to worry anymore. Do I? I don't need to worry anymore, guys. We have the yellow box. It's over, guys. I can walk away. Do we have the likes needed? Yes. So I can walk away. Trade is going to run in the background because this is going to need some time to be fully executed. Right now, I just informed the market makers and they have to call each other and they have to deliver the needs where the market has to go, right? With the yellow box, you know? So this is taking time, and in the meantime, we can do the giveaways. Look at that. As soon as I put the yellow box, the candle appears. You can turn everything off, everything, even the electricity. You're still gonna make money. Like, even you can switch off your account. You're still gonna make money. Let me show them the yellow box again. This is what they have to see. Yellow box. Look at that. Yellow box make it green candle. Ha ha ha. We can easily have 200 likes. We're not gonna start before we... Haha, look at this, guys, come on. Unbelievable. We're ripping. We got the yellow box there. We're ripping, guys. Don't worry. Even the statements, if there's going to be statements in the next minutes, as long as I have the yellow box there, the statements are going to be made accordingly to the place of the yellow box. If the yellow box appears above my entry, there is a such statement made by the officials. If the yellow box appears below my entry, no more ceasefire. My yellow box starts on 74. It never happened not to touch that yellow box. It never happened. You guys want to be sure that during this session, we have a pretty strong chance touching the yellow box. Pretty strong. I think we're going to slowly ladder up. There's people reshorting all the way to the upside as we go, and this is going to force it. Thank you. Thank you, Dart Trader. Thank you, guys. Appreciate it. Appreciate it, guys. Thank you. Time to do the giveaways. And move away from the screen, because I don't like this candle. I have to walk away. Look at that. We're getting punished for our ego. Good to see you. Great to have you here. I'm getting punished for my ego. Maybe not. We haven't touched 25,000. That's my only problem. I could get out here and get back when we touch 25,000. Yeah, I think I'm gonna do that. Yeah. I'll be doing that, guys. I got out in profit. I'm gonna get back in this when I touch 25,000. I got my limit order set up. We made some more money here. I'm gonna put the limit orders here as well. We're all set. We gotta lose some money here. We have 11 grand profit. Formula is sending the code. You just have to wait a little bit. Fireball. 23,000 today. And you guys were scared. When you saw the losses of yesterday. So the code is going to appear in your inbox or spam. I got my limit orders waiting. I made money on that trade. I closed it earlier. Didn't close it in the highs. Come on, guys. I need this order to be filled up. Just a little deeper. Oh, I need this order to be filled up. Are we gonna get deeper? I don't think so, maybe. I don't trust this anymore. I'm longing it. Should have longed it earlier. Watch this thing here. We had limit orders on YRM that have not been triggered. Lovely. We got the opportunity to re-enter. Let's see if it works. Well to go. Another undercut. Haven't touched the 25,000, but we got really close to that. That I told you from my short we had earlier here on both platforms from here. Remember, Badger? I told you. Let's go to 25K, where here you have it. Have I told you guys we go to 25K from there? I hope you guys monetize that. Our longs are here. Let's see what we can achieve with this. 280. All the way at least to 80s. All the way to my yellow box. Where is the yellow box? Ha ha ha. We're looking juicy, right? 3,000 here for YRM. We don't even need that money. 4,000 here. Look at that. You guys like this? 6,000? 27,000 profit today? What do you guys think about this? Yellow box? We're coming. Yellow box, we are coming. Haha. All right, so let's just do the giveaways and let this one print some money in the background. Entries are very close to 25,000, so we're good with that. Let's just start doing the giveaways. Here we are, fellas. Speaking about the first giveaway. Are you guys ready? $25,000 elite daily account from Top 1 Futures. This is going to be the first. Daily payouts, no consistency on the funded stage from Top 1 Futures. Maximum discounts from coupon code. How do you participate? How do you participate? You have to be part of our formula. Grab your formula, like the video, be subscribed. No activation fee. 0 activation fee. And join our Discord. Like the video, be subscribed, join our Discord. Market is back around the 25,000 again. The summer paddle is ready. So we're going to have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Between 0 and 9, tell me your best choice. A single guess per person. One choice per person. Guess the number. Start right now. Between 0 and 9, tell me your best choice. A single guess per person. We touched 25,000 right now. Still got my trades running. I'm gonna still leave them open. Stop right there. No more guesses. It's over. Stop right there. Thank you, guys. We're going to shuffle and have a good run. Good luck. So it's not going to be 95201 will not be. No, no. 678 will not be. Could be number 3 or 4. You decide it. You decide if we go on to 4. Not really. I'm gonna stick with the number 3. Congratulations for the winners. Good job. Congratulations for the winners. Time for the ducks. Here we are, 23 winners, plus Badger and Scramble 25 on the list. 1 minute competition time. Stop. Best of luck, guys. Top 1 is winning a $25,000 a daily account with daily payouts from Top 1 Futures. No activation fee. First run, first giveaway. Who's taking the lead? Run is speeding up. Mac 123. Mac 123 is winning. Congratulations, buddy. Mac 123 is the winner. as soon as you completed the form, which is something we're gonna discover. Here we are, Mac 123 did complete the form. Congratulations. Congratulations. Yay, look at the Badger, is right in front of me. That's crazy. That's crazy. We might have to rerun this. Time for the second giveaway. Second giveaway will be 50k Lucid Pro. 50k Lucid Pro. I still have my trades running. Between 0 and 5, you gotta guess the number. Best of luck, guys. Between 0 and 5, you can start right now. Start. Let me know. Between 0 and 5. Between 0 and 5. Let me know your best choice. Stop right there. No more guesses. It's over. It's over, guys. And we have a bonus account we're going to give. Time for bonus. Plus 25,000 Ignite from Top 1 Futures. Instant funded. 25,000 instant funded Ignite account from Top 1 Futures. Next to this 50,000 Lucid Pro. And I'm going to have 2 entries. Actually 3 entries for this bonus. Shuffle. Best of luck, everyone. 3 entries for the bonus. Bonus time. Could be the blue. Could be the blue with a bonus. Could be the blue with a bonus, guys. Look at that. Could be the blue with a bonus. Ha ha ha. Could be the blue with the bonus. Oh my gosh. Do we stop here? If we stop here on number 2, the paddle works perfectly. The paddle works perfectly, guys. Number 2 for the winners. Congratulations. We don't have bonus round. Jake is not here. That's why we got number 2. It works perfectly. $38. 38 winners. With Scrimbo and Badger, we are having 40 players and boarded. 30 seconds to go to the start right there. Best of luck, guys. Let's see who's going to get that 50,000 Lucid Pro account. We got a massive pal. Oh, look at a Badger. Badger is winning, guys. Badger is winning. Can't do anything about it. He is winning the races like never seen before. Look at that. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. This is totally rigged. Totally rigged, guys. Badger did not fill up the form, I can guarantee you. He says, I would like to offer my prize to the second place winner, Danny25. Look at that, Danny. Did you fill up the form? Danny. Are you here? Danny25 is here. Congratulations. Oh, what an amazing gesture from Badger, guys. Congratulations. You want to run a round of applause for Badger sharing the account with Danny. Danny, if you get to pay out from here, you want to have Badger a nice coffee. Oh my gosh, look at that scammer, he's back again. He's about to expose. Ha ha ha. Best of luck, buddy. Best of luck, everyone. Way to go. Thank you. Thank you, guys. Time for the third giveaway, which will be 50,000 YRM. $50,000 YRM. Danny, 50,000 Lucid Pro for you. Let's see the pedal. Look at that. This is the summer pedal. This is how we control the wheel, guys, you're watching here. I got a pedal below my desk. So, 50,000 YRM. 0 and 7, only 2 numbers on the wheel. Let me know your best choice. Let me know your best choice between 0 and 7. Start right now. Start right now. Yeah. We're down to the London. Silly price section, but we're gonna get back, guys. I'm 10 grand down. 10 grand. Can you believe that? But we're gonna get back to my entry and way above that. I'm not worried. Best of luck, everyone. Only a single number per person. I'm stopping at a certain profit. At a certain, yes. Stop right there. No more guesses. It's over. Stop right there. No more guesses. Over. We're going to add a bonus, guys. We're going to add a bonus. Another bonus time. 50,000 YRM. So, one more. Plus one more 50,000 YRM. We're going to have this added 3 different times, just like this. Best of luck, guys. You have more chances hitting the bonus than the numbers right now. Danny, that's a good promise. We have a bonus right now, 50,000 YRM, plus another one. Could be the 0, guys. If paddle works, it's going to get 0. If paddle works, it's going to be 0. I don't like what I see. I think that's going to be the bonus. Ho ho ho. One more 50,000 YRM. So we got 2 accounts to share. That's crazy. No way. We were so close to that 0, right? So we're going to switch that plus with the minus right now. And in case that one hits, the bonus is going to be wiped out. Minus, minus, minus. A few more with a minus, obviously, right? Ha ha ha. If you don't hit the number, you have a chance of losing your bonus. If you don't hit the number, you have a chance of losing the bonus. Do we stop on that 0? Ooh, we might stop on that 0, guys. No way. Are we gonna stop here? Unbelievable. Unbelievable. You're keeping it, chat. You're fully keeping it. 0 comes out. And I got gamed. No. Unbelievable. What are we gonna do right now? We gotta do something to eliminate this bonus. Gotta switch off my internet connection, guys. Gotta switch off. You're gonna forget it till tomorrow. Let's see what's the list. I think it's gonna be pretty long. 96. Look at that one. 96. So close to 100. 98. But we're going to do something like this. We're 98, that's right. But we're going to add one more scramble, so we're 100, and we do 2 rounds, which means top 3 will qualify for the second round. And from top 3, we are going to have 2 winners, the first rank and the second rank. Ha 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 ha. Top 3 scrambles. I didn't fill up the form, so it's not a problem. And I no longer have time to do it. There you go. Couldn't complain. I have better chances. I've created myself chances. Let's see if I can execute. Top 3 will go second round. Top 3. I think Bazzer is going to be in front of me. Victory blessings for the winners. AD on the second. And Davries. Well, look at that. Look at that, guys. That's unbelievable. I remember AD said he was not in a race. He was not winning for a while. So you have your chance right there. From this 3, top 2 is going to win. If you don't win at this time, we have a big problem. He still beat the boss. Look at that. He's number 6. I don't know where's my name, guys. I'm not even top 20. This is hacked. I'm not even top 30. This is so hacked. I'm not even top 40. This is so hacked. I'm not even top 50. This is so hacked. Not even... Scramble appears 67. 90. And then the last. One of my ducks is the last and 100. Look at that. I mean, I should get something for it. Think about how hard it is to be the last. It's as hard as to be the first. Is as hard as to be the first. Time to verify if Victory Blessings is here. So you have to appreciate, guys, it's as hard as to be the first. Victor is here. AD. Where is your name? There you go. Your name is here. Were you sweating a little? And Devries. Devries. Yes, fully confirmed. Congratulations. Congratulations. All the 3 guys will be competing. Victory Blessings, AD, and Devries. Top 3 is gonna win. You guys will compete for 30 freaking seconds. Best of luck, guys. Oh, look at your costume, AD. If you're not winning at this time, that's unbelievable. We still have our lungs opened. You guys want to start your pranks right now? There's 10 seconds to go. Who's gonna speed up right now? Look at that. Who's gonna speed up? Oh, that's a big one. AD and Devries is winning. Congratulations there, look at that. AD and Devries, congratulations. Congratulations. Congratulations, good job. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. This is a 50,000 YRM account. You are going to receive. Make sure to reach out to me. Reach out to me on Discord. No way. Victory lost it. He was the first the previous race. He was the first. And now giving it back. That's it, guys. We're continuing tomorrow. You're going to discover tomorrow what happened with today's trade that I still have open. I can't close it. I don't want to close it. It's 10 grand down. We're still 13 grand profit. Trade is there. 50,000 YRM. Haha. Yes, for the New Year's Eve. Not for September, but hopefully for the New Year's celebration party. That money is going to be good, as long as you have money to be received. Oh, so we made that much so quickly, guys. That's lovely. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you once again. We're continuing. We're looking forward. That's a good job, AD. Thank you, guys. Appreciate it. Yes, small caps, Oliver. Small caps, and you can use that. If you use big caps, it's not going to work probably. So use small caps. Check out always small caps. Thank you so much, guys. Have a lovely day, lovely time. Continuing tomorrow. Happy Friday. And if we're going to collect the likes tomorrow, I might be doing something special. We might set a big target tomorrow for the likes. Thank you so much once again. Continuing on Discord. Have a lovely day, lovely time.